In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a construction of an inscribed hexagon inside a circle. The word inscribed means inside. So what we're going to do is create a hexagon inside a circle. So for this construction, you need to be given a circle with the center point already given. The first step to do is to measure the actual radius of the circle. So to do that, you need to put the center of the compass on the center point of the circle and then adjust the pencil hole until you get a hole that goes through the line of the actual circle itself. Okay, so that's step one. So make sure when you look through the pencil hole, you see the circle line. So what we've just done is measure the radius with our compass. What we want to do is wherever you do this on the circle, just put a mark. So you can see on mine, there is a mark right here. Now, this construction is actually quite easy. What we're going to do now is move the center of the compass to that mark that we just made. So I'm going to put the center of the compass on that mark and then using the same radius. Now, the one mistake students will make is they forget which pencil hole to use. So if you ever forget, just go back. So for me, I use the one furthest away from the center. So I'm going to put the center of the compass again on that point. And then I'm going to make a small little mark on the circle. So you can see the small mark on the circle. I'm going to continue this pattern. So now the center of the compass will slide to this intersection, and I will continue this all the way around the circle. All right, now when we get to the final step, if we've done this right, the intersection of our last arc and the starting point should be the same place. Now, depending on how your pencil is angled and that kind of thing, you may be off slightly, but technically it should be exactly where we started from. So now what we're gonna do is connect all those intersections from the outside, like so. Now, again, one thing students make mistakes on is they actually do not connect the intersections to the circle. They'll draw the intersections to the arc line. So for example, what they'll do if the arc is here, they'll connect it like this, which is not correct. We don't want that. We want to make sure the line we draw intersects the circle. I can't say that enough. So if it's not drawn to the actual circle itself, it will not be correct. Now in this hexagon, we also have other shapes, right? And if we were to connect these intersections of the circle to the center, we would actually create equilateral triangles as well. We would have 6 of them. Okay, now the triangle portion you don't actually need to construct, but I do want to bring that up that in the hexagon, we actually have triangles as well.